Hello, everyone. I'm Subhash Karthik, Master Communication Coach. And in this episode of Hall of Fame, I welcome Shourabh Chatterjee.
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone.
Hi, Shourabh. So, guys, like you, Shourabh has also been, the alumni of IDQ Value Adder. He joined IDQ Value Adder, because he wanted to improve his communication skills. He wanted to improve his personality, the way, he can get the real taste of success. And after that, what happened? And before what happened, everything I'm not going to tell you. I think Shourabh is the right person to tell, in front of you that how has been, his journey with IDQ. So, hi, Shourabh.
Hello, sir.
So, Shourabh,
Uh,
currently, I just want to tell you what you do right now.
now, uh, now I'm a certified life coach and soft skill trainer and NLP practitioner, and I have a own institution, Smart Class Training Institute, and I am doing training. I am giving training to all of my students
Okay,
and
so Shourabh, you are giving training right now.
training right now.
My
Yes, sir.
God, my God, guys, those who are watching this, Hall of Fame, episode, I just want to tell you, he is the person who got trained, and now he is a trainer. Isn't it so interesting? Okay, but Shourabh, I just want to know from you that before you have been a coach, a trainer, how was your life? What you used to do initially?
Uh, right now, sir, I am telling you, you know everything. Before 2014, so I did not speak English, and I was very nervous. And after 2014, in 2014, I met with Subhash sir,
No, but
and
no. I just want to know, Shourabh, what was your condition that time before 2014? How was your communication skill? How was your
my
personality?
my communication skill was very poor because I had fear
Could you
to
speak? Were you able to speak in English?
no.
Oh, you were not
I
able to. Are you not from
I
English medium school?
No, I was Bengali medium school, and that's why I was thinking I was not speaking very good in English, and I
Okay.
had a fear. When I went to
You used to have fear.
fear
Okay.
that,
Okay. Were
so
you
when I
confident? Were you confident in your communication skill?
no
You were
very
not
poor.
confident.
No.
In
Now when
your
I went to any
family,
interview,
okay, no, sorry, I'm stopping you because
okay,
I know there are many people who are listening you right now. So I know their story. So I just want to relate with their story. So I just want to know, in your family, before you, is there anyone who could speak in English in your family?
no, no,
Okay, so
nothing.
you're the first person who initiated, who decided that I'm
Yes,
going to communicate in English.
yes, sir,
So
absolutely right.
very good, very nice, very
Thank
nice.
you, sir. So when I went to any interview, so I was thinking, was I getting a job? Did I get a job? Because I did not speaking English very properly, very fluently. So that's why I was thinking so negative, and my personality was not organized because I was fatty and
Okay,
like
you used to have a lot of weight.
wait and
Okay.
goody boy. And when I went to any interview, the interviewer asked me, "Are you mama's boy? Are you
Mama's
mother's
boy.
mama's boy?" I faced lot of time this.
But I tell you,
Question.
you are very handsome, and you're
Thank you,
very
sir.
smart, right?
Uh,
See, it's not
because
bad. It's not bad to be a mama's boy.
that time they told me. But after 2014, so I changed myself when I joined IDQ, and
Okay.
I met with you, and then KK sir also.
Okay.
You and KK sir changed my life, and IDQ gave more opportunity to me to develop myself,
Mm.
and that's the main thing is that I always thank you. I always say thank you to IDQ. KK sir.
We feel, we feel so good that, see, whenever we get any kind of positive feedback, it's I think it is more than the money we take it from the people. This is the sense of gratitude that you people show, that how your life has been impacted by IDQ Valor. So value adder, that's a wonderful feeling.
And I always tell my student that I asked many questions to Subhash sir
Yeah, I just
when
want to
I
tell
was
everyone,
in.
whenever Saurav was my student, he used to come for his English communication and personality. He used to ask a lot of question, lot of every time, sir, why this is happening, why this happens. I think that helped him to become very
Yes,
confident person in his life.
every day I asked you a lot of questions, and many office colleagues told us I am a question book, you are the answer book.
No, but specifically, I just want to know, what is that most important thing you used to like in your communication class? What was the most, important, and you liked that very much?
Uh,
Anything about our process, the way we teach? What was the most important thing?
I like two things. First, friendly attitude and friendly, comfortable zone you created with me. And second thing is a grammar.
So
It
you feel that grammar is very important, right?
very important. Now the
But there are
foundation
many
is
people, Saurabh. There are many people. They say that grammar is not important. So they say that, sir, I can speak in English. I don't need grammar. Do you feel that people, they do not need grammar?
no, no, sir. I feel grammar is also important when we speak in English
Okay.
because I want to correct write English, right? Correct to speak in English because it is important, and the grammar is main important because IDQ taught me different style, but different style in grammar. So like not bookish grammar. That is the main thing that I learned so much from IDQ because it helped me to speak English correctly.
Okay. See, sorry, we have very limited time, Saurabh. I just want to tell you, there are many students who want to join IDQ Value Adder to improve their personality and to improve their communication skill. But I don't know, there may be some reason they are not joining. Any suggestion you want to give it to those students who really want to join IDQ, but something is stopping them?
I always,
Maybe, maybe they're not joining because we charge money, and they feel that we charge a lot of money. So what do you feel? Why should they join?
sir, I think when I say everyone, first believe in yourself first, and then believe Subhash sir and KK sir also, and IDQ, the brand name the IDQ, because if I believe the institution when I join, so I get 100%. But if I do not believe their processing, so I will not get
No, but
100% because
sometimes, Saurabh, sometimes students say that, sir, we believe you, but we don't have money. We really don't have money. Do you think money could be the right reason for not joining?
sir, I learned from you one thing: what, why, how. So if I have cleared the what and why, then how can it possible? It is only choose on choose it my
It
choice.
comes, it comes automatically. It means you want to say that if my what and why is
How?
clear, if I
So
know
how?
that what I want and why I want,
Yes,
then the
sir.
how comes easily.
How comes automatically?
Yes. So
No doubt.
money is a
One is
secondary. Yeah.
secondary.
Yeah.
So primary is your what and why.
Yeah, very nice, Saurabh. It has been a wonderful,
Thank you,
talking
sir.
after a long time. So I
Yeah.
feel so pleased that you are one of the member of Hall of
Thank
Fame,
you so much.
and we
And
will
I say
always.
thank you always, all time, and KK sir also. You and Kekasa helped me so many times. Until now, you helped me. You give suggestion me to how to develop myself every time. So thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Saurabh, and all the best for your future and your
Thank
work
you,
that you are
sir.
doing for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Uh,
Most welcome.